weighs 6 ounces, sits in a tree, and is very dangerous. A sparrow with a machine gun.
This collection is worth its weight in gold.
We haven't a moment to lose. Let's race to the battle.
And now, the official long-awaited Batman collection can be yours for only 5 easy payments of $19.99 each. It's a steal.
I'd rather pay just like any other ordinary citizen.
And with this exclusive offer, we'll even pay for your shipping. That's
What are
an
you
additional
doing?
savings of almost $10.
You filming that fat cat?
This is the ultimate collection of the greatest show of all time, and it's not available in stores. You'll only find it right here with this exclusive TV offer. That's 9 DVDs featuring 64 of your favorite Batman episodes, plus the DVD of all new bonus features, detailed episode guide, original show script with a personal letter from Adam, and the 2 free bonus DVDs, Adam West Naked and the original 1966 Batman movie. That's 12 DVDs, over 30 hours of entertainment, and so much more for only 5 easy payments of $19.99 each. And we'll ship it for free.
Don't judge me.
That basket is, but I do know when we need him. We need him now.
Don't wait.
That was fast. Just here.
Don't film me, you shit.
Don't call me here.
Order now.
You know, the Batman set was
Meow,
run like
meow.
a pretty tight ship, but occasionally mistakes were made. Once, Robin and I collided on our way to the Bat Bowls, and it was so funny they left it the final show.
Look, stop it. Okay, honey.
Another time on the wonderful Frank
Meow,
Ocean
wow.
as the Riddler, I was supposed to pick up evidence with a piece of tissue.